Assalamu alaikum, and good morning to all respected teachers and my dear friends. Today, I am going to deliver a speech on the topic 100 essential phrases and how to talk on the phone in English. Communication is one of the most important skills in our daily life. In today's modern world, talking on the phone has become a common part of communication. We use phone calls for education, business, jobs, emergencies, and personal relationships. Therefore, learning how to talk on the phone in English is very important. Many students feel nervous while speaking English on phone calls because they cannot see the other person's face. Sometimes they do not know the correct words or phrases to use. But with regular practice and learning essential phrases, anyone can improve their confidence and communication skills. There are many useful phrases for phone conversations. For example, when answering a call, we can say, "Hello, this is Rahim speaking," or "Good morning, how can I help you?" When asking for someone, we can say, "May I speak to Mr. Hassan, please?" If the person is unavailable, we may say, "He is busy right now," or "Can I take a message?" We also need polite expressions during conversations. Phrases like, "Could you repeat that, please?" "I'm sorry, I didn't understand." And "Thank you for calling," help us communicate politely and clearly. Good manners on the phone create a positive impression and improve relationships. Dear friends, listening is another important part of phone communication. We should listen carefully and speak clearly. Pronouncing words properly and speaking slowly can help the listener understand us better. Learning 100 essential English phrases is very helpful for students and English learners. These phrases improve vocabulary, speaking fluency, and confidence. They also prepare us for interviews, customer service, office communication, and international conversations. To improve phone conversation skills, we should practice every day. We can listen to English audio, watch English videos, and practice with friends or family members. The more we practice, the more confident we become. English is an international language, and good communication skills can open the door to success. A simple phone conversation can create opportunities for education, career, and friendship. So let us all try to learn essential English phrases and practice talking on the phone confidently. Remember, practice is the key to success. Thank you all for listening patiently.